Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find system and updates. Now let's tap on language and input and tap on language and region at the top. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all, let's say, currently applied languages. We've got English and Polish. So let's tap add new one. Tap on add language to add new one. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. Let me choose maybe this one. Let's tap on change to confirm, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added right here in this list, you can change it quickly just by tapping on the specific language you'd like to use, and it will be immediately applied. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and tap on this X button right next to the specific language you want to remove, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.